That was so rude. I got cut off and I went yakking for a good, I don't know, 5 minutes after it cut me off. It cuts me off at 15 minutes. I went yakking. That was so rude. So what I was just saying at the end was there's a number in your future called E. Just like pi, it's a non-terminating, non-repeating decimal. And if you notice, the next page has the chart all filled out for you. So I think that the process of writing it out is really important. And I've listed the irrational numbers here. E stands for exponent. It's discovered by a man named Euler. That's how you pronounce it. You don't say Euler, you say Euler. And E is approximately 2.7, 1828. And it goes on and on forever. It doesn't repeat it, 1828. Some may have seen a chart like this, a Venn diagram, or a flow chart kind of idea like this, a tree of values as to where the numbers fit in. I think Ms. Luco likes using this if you had her in the past. I've seen different teachers use different strategies. So let's actually go on and see if you can quiz yourself on verifying. Verify that the terminating decimals are rational. So use the process we used last time about putting it over 10 or putting it over 100 if it was 2 decimals. This you'd put over, well, what would you put that over? And then and then go ahead, verify that the repeating decimals are rational. That was the strategy we used last time where we want to multiply by 10 and then subtract. Here we'll multiply by 100 and then subtract. Oh, look, it's 2, 3. I used 3, 2 yesterday. And then we're going to classify values. So basically we're verifying that you understood or got the last idea before we go on. Ta-da! Check your work, make sure that's okay. Make sure you can do this. It's a really nice skill. The next way of having you test that you know the sets of numbers is to categorize or classify each of these numbers as either natural or whole or an integer or rational, irrational, or real. There's an R at the bottom there. So take each of these and place them in the sets given. Come back when you think you've got them all categorized, and you can compare with what I've done. How's that? Okay, check your work, make sure that's all okay. I didn't bother to list them. It's all of the above except for the square root of -8. That's a complex number.